Hey everyone, it's Dylan and Charlie from the Black Forest Wood Company. This week we've got a little bit of a smaller project, but something really unique that we haven't done before. So one of our clients came to us and his father, who was a police officer, he actually passed away, and we're doing this piece in memoriam for him. So we've taken his old police badge, cast it in resin, and put it on a Claro walnut base. It's turned out absolutely stunning, and it's just awesome that our client, trusted us to do something like this. So we hope you guys enjoy the process of this piece, and let us know what you think in the comments.
Right now, I'm just taking a router and routing a groove in our piece of wood to recess this little pin on the back of our sheriff badge. So I'm working on this base for a sheriff badge we're casting in resin. I've drawn some lines and I want this bevel to line up. I'm going to do a bevel from 15 mils down. It's going to come all the way up to meet an inch away from our badge, just to make kind of like a amplified look. Got to do something on the panel saw because this ain't going to cut it. I'm so happy I have 1,000 different jigs I've made in the past 2 years.
So thank you guys for watching this. Yeah, this is just, like we said, just a bit of a smaller project, but really fun to do. And since you guys have watched to the end of the video, one thing I wanted to mention that we're going to be starting soon is a table for Joe Mangiello, I think is how you say it. Hopefully that's correct. It's actually going to be used for his Dungeons and Dragons table for him and all his friends to play on. And we're doing it with a massive slab of Bastogne walnut.
Welcome to the E. Gary Gygax Memorial Dungeon in Beverly Hills, in the basement of my house.
He looks like an athlete, but I did not realize this until today that he is still plays Dungeons and Dragons. That can't be true.
Yes.
He does.
Yeah, and he's obsessed with it.
I built this whole ice castle on the dining room table. That's Tom Morello, the guitarist from Rage Against the Machine.
Yeah.
There's Vince Vaughn,
This is crazy.
Dan Weiss, co-creator of Game of Thrones, director Kyle Newman. That's Ryan Vernier, who helped to create League of Legends. That's my buddy George in the front, who's a great actor. Yeah, I mean, we're just having a blast.
So probably within the next month or so, you guys are going to start to see the video process of that, and we will be going down to deliver that piece as well. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week.